So these are our lovely tilt and turn windows. It showcases some of the privacy glass that we offer. Most clients will opt out and just get it in the clear glass. Very straightforward. The handle and hardware is pointed down. You tilt it horizontally, and this allows you to swing it open into the home. If you put it back in and you tilt the handle up, that provides the tilt-in function. Push it back in, all the way down, locks the window. When you open it up, the screens are very, very easy to remove from the interior of your home. You can take them out and clean the rest of your window. And these are our EcoTech casement windows. We have a fixed casement and an operable casement. Operable casements will crank open 90 degrees. They have the one locking mechanism. You lift it up, hand cranks over here, and it'll crank out nice and easy to a full 90 degrees. The screens, you just push down from the top, lift it out, making it very easy to clean this exterior glass and the fixed panel beside it. Once again, put the screens in at the bottom, push down, voila. And these are our EcoTech awning windows. They're great for kitchen sink areas or bathrooms where you see the privacy glass as needed. Screens, very easy to remove. Push down from the top, you can take it out. The awning has two locking mechanisms. You flip them up, hand crank comes out, and the awning will crank out 30 degrees. Want to put the screen back in? Like the casement window, you just push it down at the bottom, goes back into place. And these are our tilt and turn sliders. So we have them in a single and a double. So you unlock them. For the double, you can move them both ways. The double also has a nice safety latch, so you can open it in the evening. And they both have a great function. You pull down from the top, push up from the bottom, as you see here on my hands. Window swings open, easy to clean the exterior. Same with the second one. When you're done cleaning, put them back into place. The single as well. You're good to go. This is our lift out slider. Very nice for basements. A lot of people use them as safety escape windows. We just showcase privacy glass. This is a single. We offer them in double as well. Unlock the window, open it up. You're gonna grab the sash, lift it up. You can pull it out. The other operable window, slide open, push up, lift it out, and you can make an escape through the window. Very easy to clean the exterior. When you want to put them back in, angle them up at the top, push up, fits nice back in the track, close the window, you're good to go.